Hi guys, welcome to Linux our YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I'm your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video we will talk about Terraform Tflint command. But before start the lab session we need to understand few points, which is what is Terraform linter and its use cases. So basically linting is the process of using static code analysis to identify potential error, bugs, static error and suspicious construct in your code. The term lint comes from Unix utility lint, which was used to analyze C code for errors. Linting tools are available for use with most coding language, not just SCL HashiCorp configuration language used by the Terraform. By using linting tool, development team can establish a consistent coding style across project, make the code more readable and understandable, and cache common mistake that might go unnoticed during manual code review. Terraform linter is a tool that helps ensure the quality and consistency of Terraform code by analyzing it for potential issues and error for best practice. If we talk about tflint command, this is a popular open source linter and static analysis tool designed explicitly for Terraform, and it performs automate checks on Terraform configuration to identify potential issues, errors, and violations of best practice. So Tflint helps maintain the code quality, consistency, and reliability in the Terraform project. So let's start the lab session and we'll see how we can use Tflint command in our Terraform project. Here you can see this is my AWS console and currently I have one Linux EC2 instance. So if I go here and if I refresh, one instance should be there. Yeah, here it is. So let it be connect first. I'll select, go to the connect, pick up my copy the path and let it be connect first. Yeah, I'm here. So first of all, if I go with let me go with the sudo -i. Now I'm become the root, and if I go host name ctl command, you can see this is Amazon Linux, right? It's a Amazon Linux I'm using. So let's start with the first tab, which is install Terraform. Here currently Terraform form hyphen version. No, it's not there. Command not found. Okay, so let's go to the official documentation. Google Terraform registry.io site. Go here, go to the bottom and click on the download CLI, right? Which OS you want to go with that one? I want to go with the Linux, and which flavor? This is Amazon Linux. Here it is. So just copy these three commands: yum utils, show utils, yum config manager, add the repository, and yum install Terraform. So just copy all three and go and right click and paste it. Simple. Adding repository, install. Very simple. Now if I go with Terraform version version, you can see Terraform is available. So now you can see we have successfully installed Terraform with version 1.9.5. Now let's suppose I want to launch one EC2 instance, then we will go with the Terraform code and we will launch from there. So let's try to launch one basic EC2 instance. So I'll go with my project folder, project project 1. I'll move to the project 1 folder. I'll make my main.tf file, and here I need to write down the code. So code you can get it from the again documentation, right? So if I go back here, select the provider. I am going with AWS, and here on the documentation, from here you can get the code like EC2 or S3, whatever you want to go with that one. So suppose you want to go with EC2 instances, just scroll down and here you can got the different kinds of code are available. You can go with any kind of code, right? So AWS instance like this. So provide EC2 instance resources. So you can copy the code from here and you can deploy, right? So currently I'm going with my custom code, which is I have already write down in my notepad. Let me copy it and I'll make it very simple code. This is. Now let me try to explain this code. This is very basic code where my provider is AWS. Reason is AP South 1, and I'm going to launch one AMI ID with this one. Instance type is T2 macro. The tag is demo server, and one more tag is source from Terraform, right? So my code is ready. Let's initialize provider plugins and then validate the syntax by following Terraform command. So I'll save and quit. I'll go Terraform init command first of all. So you can see the latest plugin is downloaded, v5.64.0. So if I go over there, you can see that on the provider it's currently download v64.0. If you want to go with the uh, standard one, you can just go and copy this code, right? But currently I'll go with the latest one. Done. Initialization done. So you can see ls minus a tree command. Okay, tree is not there, no worry. You can see ls capital R dot terraform. So here you can see the provider is there, the plugins, everything is available. Cool. Now let's check the validation. So my file is ready, and if I go with terraform validate command, let's see what happened. Let's check the syntax, and if everything is okay, yep, I got the message success, that configuration is valid, right? So configuration is valid, we didn't get any kind of error. Now what happened if I even if I modify the file again by mistake, if I do some wrong changes over there, then validate command will check it or not. Okay, let's try. I'll open win.tf file, and I'll modify this instance type from t2 macro to let's go back. I said t2x.macro. Okay, I did here, I changed this here. Now we know very well it is not good, right? Even we know very well it's not right code. So if I go with cat main.tf file again, or number of line file, so you can say look at the line number of 6, t2x macros there. So I change it. Now if I try to go with terraform validate command, let's see what happened. Even we know there is no t2x macros available in AWS cloud, but let's see again it says success, the configuration is valid. The command will not check the part and said configuration is valid. So this thing I want to control. At this stage I want to control that something is going to be happen wrong here. Someone pick up the errors and let me inform, hey, this is the wrong thing, you are going in the wrong track. So at this stage tflint command come in the picture, right? So let's move to the next part, which is install tflint command. So tflint can be installed on Mac OS, on Linux and Windows. So for tflint we go and search tflint GitHub repository and download from there, right? So I'll go again, I go Google tflint command, tflint, just go tflint, and this is the Terraform linters tflint, right? Scroll down, very simple, and installation scripts are there. You can go with Linux or Mac or Windows. So I'll just copy this path, right click and paste it. Simple, done. It's very simple. Now you can find out tflint is available version, yeah, it is there. And if I go with the help, tflint help, all helps are available. So we have successfully installed tflint command. Now move to the next step, which is configure tflint. Once tflint is downloaded and installed on our machine, we need to configure tflint configuration file. By default, tflint command looks for .tflint.scl file if it is not what specified specificity. So it allows customizations of rules, exclusions of specified files and directories, and integration with the third-party linters. The default location for this file is current directory. So let's create this file and add AWS provider plugin, which is used for the initialization point of view. So how to get the code? Again, go back the same repository. If you scroll down, from here you have to select the provider. So you can go with Amazon, Azure or Google. So I'll go with Amazon Cloud, and again I go to scroll down. You can install the plugin by adding this one into the .tfconfig scl file, and then we have to run tflint -int. So I'll make a file in the same working directory, the tflint scl, and let me copy this entire code. Provider is AWS, and just right click and paste. Simple. Okay, it's not successfully copied. Let me copy one more time. Copy it, right click and paste. Yeah, done. Save. Now just run the simple command tflint initialize. If everything is okay, you can see installed successfully. Now we are ready to use tflint command. So tflint can be invoked from the command line by simply running tflint in the root directory of the Terraform project. So developers receive clear and actionable feedbacks highlighting the exact line number and descriptions of issues found. Now let's run the tflint command and we'll see what happened. Till now, Terraform validation did not pick up the fault. Let's go with the tflint command. So I type tflint, only I type tflint. So this command will scan your configuration and provide a detailed report highlighting any tflinted issues. Because I have already downloaded the plugin AWS plugin, so they will check on the basis of AWS plugin. Let's see what happened when I type tflint. The moment I press enter, see what happened. Yup, here it is. Here it is, you can see that. I got some warning and errors, right? So t2x.macros is an invalid value as instance type. So this is the thing which I'm looking for. Now I get to know about my error in earlier stage rather than I deploy the code using Terraform apply command or plan command and then get to know, and then entire team will work together to figure out the problem. This approach is very useful in the pipeline integration. This is not only one benefit, we got many benefits if you're using tflint command in the project. If we talk about the benefits, we can get earlier error detection, improved code quality, consistency, integration with CI/CD, cross-platform compatibility, and many more. So in short, Tflint is valuable open source Terraform tool that you can use to easily add the linting to your Terraform configuration file, and plugins for popular cloud provider can be installed to add further functionality and enable your team to increase the overall quality of your code. So once you get such types of error, you can open the configuration file at the earliest stage, go back, set the things, save it in quiet, and now if I go with tflint one more time, you will see no errors are there, only warnings are there which is required or which is not required, right? So this is how we can use Terraform lint command. So guys, that's all about this demo. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more, please go out through my social media links which is mentioned in the description. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.